I'll be showing you how you can add repeat revenue to your Shopify store. I'll be going over 3 different strategies in this video that you can implement today to help increase your repeat revenue so you can start generating more profit from each customer that shops at your Shopify store. These 3 strategies are all best used in conjunction with each other, so make sure you stay until the end of the video here. So let's dive into our first strategy right away, and this one's going to be win-back campaigns. You can set these to run automatically, but the essential feature of these is that they're going to just remind customers and bring them back to your store in a set time window after they've purchased a product. So it could be 60, could be 90, could be 120 days. It's really going to depend on the type of product you sell and possibly how much they paid as well. What you want to do is just get in contact with them again. Say something like, hey, we've missed you. Look at these new products we have. Here's an exclusive coupon that you can use to come back and shop with us. Many stores just leave their existing customers by the wayside. They've ordered from you once, so why sell to them again? Many merchants are just focusing on getting that next new customer. But what they really should be doing is focusing on cultivating these relationships with existing customers, as it's so much cheaper to get an existing customer to purchase from you. So you want to stay top of mind here by emailing them with a follow-up campaign. You can do so easily in just about any email software. I used to do it in Klaviyo, just saying 60 days after a purchase, send this email, then maybe send a second follow-up after that a few days later, and then try again in a few months. The second strategy is just going to have a lot of weight on how you win back campaigns go, and that's going to be to have a great first experience. What was it like when a customer first shopped with you? Were you communicative the whole time? You updated them on their tracking information. Product was exactly as expected. It worked. There was no default or defects. And overall, they really liked the product and would shop from you again. If you mess up this first experience, it doesn't matter how much money you give them in a discount, they're probably not going to come back, as why would they just have a bad experience again? So make sure you're doing everything in your power to make sure that the customer has a good first experience when shopping with you. They enjoy the product. You want to give them that 5-star experience. The third strategy is going to be to provide value over time. So you don't want to be that search store or that person who's just saying, buy my stuff. Here's a coupon, buy my stuff. Although we went over that as a win-back campaign, you want to be doing more than that. You want to be providing value over time by keeping in contact with them. Maybe you're giving them helpful tips on how to use their product, how to take care of it. Maybe you're selling high quality leather boots and you're giving tips on how the customer can keep their boots in pristine condition and make them last a lifetime. Providing instructional videos, you're sending personalized emails or newsletters on what's going on. You're not just focusing on selling them more product, and so you're building that relationship with them. So when the time comes for that win-back campaign, or you have a promotion or a discount going on, you can email them and get a better response, as they're going to know you and they're going to trust you. So this can be great for increasing repeat revenue. A great way to find out what existing stores are doing is just go to some larger successful brands, subscribe to their email lists, and see out the content that they're generating. If you're a gym brand, maybe you're providing instructional videos on working out, the latest news on different supplements, or anything along those lines. Overall, it just helps to build that value and build that relationship with a customer. So this concludes the video here on how to increase repeat revenue. I looked at 3 different overall strategies. The first one is introducing win-back campaigns. The second one is optimizing that first customer experience. Lastly, I looked at providing value over time. Before I go, let me mention Profit Calc one more time. The one-click profit calculator available for your Shopify store. A link in the description below. Or if you search Profit Calc in the Shopify App Store, you can look for this logo in the top left. Both of which get you access to a free 15-day trial so you can test drive everything for yourself. Thank you so much for watching. I would love it if you hit that like and subscribe button below. If you have any questions, leave a comment, and thank you so much. I'll see you in our next video.